In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Fortnite account on mobile. Open up your browser. So we are using our iPhone to do this. So this is going to be an educational guide video. So type in fortnite.com, right? Once you have typed it in, click on this. Click on sign in. We want to create a new account because we don't have an account already. So click on create account. Once you click on it, wait for it to open. You'll be asked if you have played any of these games, right? So click on it now. So once I've clicked on it, just wait for it to open up. Now make sure you just select this, right? Make sure it's the right thing. Make sure it's the right thing. So I can just type in this. I'm going to click on the continue. So what you need to do now, basically, come on here, enter these details, right? Once I've entered all of them, agree to all this. Once I've agreed to all of them, you're going to see the create account, right? So if you click on the create account, you're going to be sent a verification code to your mail, right? So copy the verification code, verify it. So once you are done, you're going to be able to create a Fortnite account here on your mobile. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching through. I hope you'll find this video helpful. I'll see you in the next video.